We got a huge Temu haul, girl, so let's get into it. So basically, y'all know I love Temu, like I literally love them down. But we're gonna do a Temu haul. So one of the things that I'm most excited about that I bought from Temu, and they were only $20. Okay, so I did get some Mother Day stuff as well, but the time y'all see this Mother Day probably be over. Basically, look. Okay, the first thing we got my mom are these little cute shoes, basically. So yeah, and then basically the one thing I'm excited about. So basically, your girl is getting her car very soon, so stay tuned. And y'all, I'm sorry if I'm swimming, girl. I just got home. I'm hot. I'm tired. Anyway, we got us some car mat for our $2 little people. We got some car mat for only $10. Then basically, so we like snack cart, as y'all know, girly, and we bought this cart for only $10. So we hope it looks cute. If not, I got a gray one from Target, but I want to try the Temu version one. And then the last thing we got, bestie, I've been needing some new house shoes. And y'all know I love pink, but y'all know I love pink, white, and like neutral style colors. So I think that these might be a little too big, but we got these little khaki colors, so it's like a neutral color house shoe, bestie. Bye, bestie.